Hello friends, myself Aditya Ghatia and in this video I am explaining the concept of most important storage service named S3 bucket. S3 stands for simplest storage service that stores the file of different types like photos, audios and videos as object. It is providing more scalability and security. It allows user to store any amount of data at any point in any time from anywhere on the web. One important thing to know about S3 is that it provides 99.119% durability. S3 is used for various purposes in a cloud because of its robust feature with scaling and securing data. Following are the use cases of S3 service. First one is data storage. It helps in storing and retrieving the data as per the need in ideal time. Second one is backup and recovery. Many organizations are using S3 for backup their critical data and must maintain the data durability and availability for recovery need. Third one is hosting static website. S3 is used for hosting static website. Here HTML, CSS and JavaScript files are stored and from that files static website is deployed. Fourth one is data lake and big data analytic. S3 is considered as a data lake because of its capacity to store data and is used for data analysis. Fifth one is data archiving. If you wanted to store data for long period, then S3 is great place. It is cost effective. Now the next topic is S3 bucket and object. Data in S3 are stored in container called buckets. Each bucket has its own policies and configuration. Also bucket named must be unique. It acts as a parent or folder of data. Next one is S3 object. Data is stored in object forms. It acts as a files of data. The maximum size of bucket is 5 TB. Also, one important note about S3 is that S3 is available globally from anywhere, but it is stored in a particular region only. And if you want to store data above 5 TB, then new bucket is formed. Now the next one is S3 services customer. Many companies are using S3's service for their storage, analysis, data pools, backup and recovery. Some of these are Cisco, Nadak, Union Bank and Netflix. Now the types of S3 service. Basically, there are many types of S3 service, but these are important. First one is standard. It is suitable for frequently accessed data that needs to be highly available and durable. Second one is standard infrequent access, standard IA. This is cheaper data storage class and as name suggests, this class is best suited for storing infrequent access data like log files and data archiving. Third one is S3 Glacier. It is an archiving file class that delivers the lowest cost for data archiving and is organized to provide you with highest performance with more flexibility. Also, we will also do some configurations in S3 like we will do versioning. Also, we will provide some security like public and private security. Thank you.